Okay. This is going to be my first attempt at an unboxing video, but I'm going to put myself to the test. I got myself a generator, and in real time, I'm going to see how long it takes me to get it together. It's in the back seat of this truck, and I'm not going to cut anything, so let's just go for it. I bought this from Home Depot. I have been in the market for a dual fuel generator for a while, and I've definitely been looking used, but I fell a little bit short on time as far as trying to be resourceful. I'm not cheating, by the way. I just picked this up at Home Depot, but it had this little dent in this, so I had them crack the box to make sure everything still looked okay. But what do we have? The Champion Global Power Equipment Inverter Generator. Running watts at 3250, starting watts at 4500. Again, dual fuel. That's what I was looking for because I have plenty of propane tanks. And this is the unboxing. So looks like you got propane tank here. Checking for my dog Lua. He's doing a good job. Looks like I have propane hookup. Looks like a USB 12 volt. Some oil. Which I do have plenty of. This looks to be something. Here's this inside the box, nothing else. Nice foam pads. Okay. This will be a nice little Nomad trash bag. See, this could work like just wrap this in some fabric and use it as a pillow. Okay, let's see how quickly this setup is. I'm losing light pretty quick. I already have the main goal is to be able to hook my PC and combine my Nomad life with my computer city life. Alright, Champion. Dude, they give you all these decals. And all these decals are I only see one that says power on and the rest are just the logos. Alright, parts included. This is the quick start. Okay, thick old book manual, but let's do the quick start. Setup. We're going to take one, add oil. It looks like down here, so we have to probably remove these, right? This is half a liter. I'm sure this is. All right. Okay. On the quick start diagram, I see, well, this side looks like it pops off, so I'm going to check here first. Okay, I just want to make sure I wasn't breaking anything. Little add oil right here. No oil in units. Like this, I'm going to set it on the plastic. So, get myself paper towel for cleanup. After we add the oil, we're going to move the generator outdoors. We're going to add fuel, gasoline or propane. And then we do not plug it in. Starting the engine on propane. Alright. So it doesn't look like we're going to have too long before we start this up. Okay. Already got step 2 done, move outdoors. Step 3 is going to add fuel. In our case, we're going to connect the propane lines. $16.9. Well, I'll double check this real quick. I know this is usually supposed to be running, but it does say do not overfill. Okay. Okay. Trash, trash, trash. gasoline. This is going to go back on. We have 3 slots at the bottom, and then there's 2 snap releases. Clip-ins. Then we'll lock it. No oil. Okay. This is another no oil sign telling you not to turn it on before you add oil. Okay. Looks like move outside, add fuel, gasoline or propane. Manual start, open the propane tank. Manual start. Is it automatic start? No. We'll just leave that little thing on there. It's probably supposed to stay on there. Flip this around. On the quick start guide, I didn't see anything additional. Okay, but we're gonna look in the front here now. Some stickers I'm gonna leave on because when I eventually take those off, then it will be new. I see a propane quick clip here. And then I see a piece that it looks like it lines up with a safety button of some sort. Okay. So there's a little rod here that sticks in next to it, but as soon as I got it in there, it just snapped in. Put this on plastic. And then says open propane. Alright, so we're first gonna this is all in real time. I didn't see any of these instructions or anything beforehand. This is very straightforward and simple. Okay. Before I open the tank here, I'm going to check everything. I added oil, generators outdoor. We're add fuel. In this case, we're adding propane. Then it says do not plug in. This is gasoline start. Starting the engine on propane. Manual start. Open the propane tank valve. Turn the easy start dial to the choke position. Easy start dial to the choke position. And so fuel, pull the recoil 3 to 5 times to prime the ignite, prime the engine. Okay, so we're going to turn this to choke. And it said pull the recoil 3 to 5 times. Four, 5, and then we switch this dial over to propane, which is the green one. And then time. Again, thanks for joining me. This was the unboxing, the Champion inverter generator, 4,500 watt dual fuel. Boom.